পচাই তুলবে
সবাই পচা, আমার বাসার
সবাই
মানুষের
পচা,
মতো ছবি
বাসার-
তুলছে। এদিকে আসো একটু লাইটের মধ্যে তোমাকে সবাই দেখতে পারে 20 বছর ইন দ্য ফিউচার যে তুমি কত প্রিটি আম্মু ছিলে।
আমি সালসাদের হ্যান্ডিক্যামটা নিয়ে আসবো।
তো আম্মু
কালকে কি ভাঙা শুরু করবে?
আম্মু
সালসাদের
কিছু বলো।
হ্যান্ডিক্যাম
ঠিক বাসা বদলাবো, মনটা খুব খারাপ লাগছে।
আম্মু আমাদের
আমারও
বাচ্চাদের
মনটা খারাপ
একটা
লাগছে।
দাদি
ভালো লাগছে না।
তো কে আম্মু ওকে
আম্মু raise the box a little bit. দাঁড়াও, ডাবল করে নাও, ডাবল করে নাও।
সাহাবার রুমে ভিডিও করবে, আমি এখানে আম্মুকে হেল্প করছি, সাহাবা ক্যামেরা নিয়ে ওর রুমে একটু ভিডিও করবে। হ্যাঁ সাহাবা নাও, আমি হেল্প করতেছি আম্মুকে। তুমি নাও, আমি হেল্প করতেছি আম্মুকে।
Bachas, this is my room. It's not always this untidy. In fact, of all the rooms in the house except Ammu's, it stays very, very tidy. That's all my stuff. I packed it up. That's the big, big room. Really, there's my laptop, my first ever computer of my own. Hi, laptop. I wonder what I'm downloading right now. Right. Oh, I'm downloading Avatar: The Last Airbender. I hope you guys get to watch that, and that's Zorro for anybody who's interested. And yeah, my pride and joy at the moment is my 500 gigabyte external hard disk. I'm sure you guys are laughing, but I wonder if you guys have this. Yeah. I hope you never learn what load shedding is, but if you do know, then you can see how this thing might help. I got it at the F1 circuit in Sepang, Malaysia. I really hope তোমরা ওখানে অনেকবার যাও. And this is the IPS. It's my R2D2. খালি একটু পরপর পিট পিট করে. That's my mirror. That's me. And there's my bathroom. The flush doesn't work. Okay, but it's my own bathroom. And oh, right, you guys have to meet my almari. And no, that's not what you have to meet. What you have to meet is my turtles. Right. Turtle, I want you to meet Babus, whoever they are. Yeah, don't run away, don't run away, don't run away. Yeah, okay, so yeah, there are turtles here, and there's a smaller one. Yeah, they're pretty much the same except for the size. Yeah, there are 3 of them, but 2 of them are exactly the same, so I'm not gonna. Yeah, and what else do I need to introduce you to? Oh, right, my music player. Big, dumb, 80 gigabyte music player. It's the Zune. I hope my daughter, whoever, if I have one, I hope you are a little bit into gadgets. Okay, a lot into gadgets. I always regret not knowing much about them. I'm gonna wash my hand, and I think I'm done. Oh, you better look at the view from my window. See, next door I have this really pretty tree. You won't ever see the flowers, sorry, but next door is Securex. They train security guards. They're not very good. And after there's an interesting story about that. See, every morning, this is our yard. It's pretty big and pretty, and your uncle or for Jihad's kids, your dad's best friend's pet duck is around somewhere. We even dug a hole for it. There's that tree, that plant you see right there in the middle. That's the hole dried up and the plant grew on it. But that used to be its pool, and it's around somewhere. Anyway, the interesting story is, they Securix guys, they practice in this yard every morning, and they go Arame Darao. And I was really small at the time. I like to watch them, so at the breakfast table I said Harami Darao, and my grandmother, she was drinking milk at the time, just split the milk from her mouth all over the table. Yeah, so that's my room. Oh, this needs to be some heavy. Okay, I'm going back to the packing now. All right, and here's your dad or uncle or whoever. তুমি দেখাইছো না? Yeah, they're going to get so bored. Oh, that's interesting. That's the bell used to summon everyone.
For
That's right.
eating.
I hope my voice is clear. That's the bathroom. That's important. That is. Okay. And the lights turn off. Ammu's room. And you can tell. I don't know if you can tell that this room exudes class in spite of the mess, but yes, this is Ammu's very, very classy room. I think it's the chair, sofa, or two-seater, whatever. The bags, and this is bed. And for the girls, this is where we kept most of our bags and stuff. And the mosquito net. I wonder if you guys will ever use a mosquito net. দেখাইছো? Oh, well. Okay, I want to show you the view then. Since Jihad already showed this to you, that's our gate. We never really needed a calling bell because, we'd always hear the gate because it's so loud. When they lift that knocker thing on top and bring it down. Yeah, pretty much. That's it. And it's beautiful. I loved living here. I lived like a princess. And I very much doubt you guys will ever be able to live in such a huge space. Like maybe you guys will have bigger rooms, but not with the yard and stuff. I very much doubt you'll have that much space. Do you have আর কি room দেখানো লাগবে? আচ্ছা, how do I turn it off? হ্যাঁ, এই জায়গাটা সেভ করা লাগবে না? সেভ হচ্ছে? চাপ দিছি।